Hey guys, EthDo here, and today I'm back with another Minecraft tutorial. Today's tutorial is all about an all new feature which is to be added in Minecraft 1.8 and is actually in the latest snapshot. This feature is the ability to lock chests, and you can do this using commands in command blocks and can be done to both normal chests and trap chests. So as you can see, both the regular chest and this trap chest at the back are both locked, and the way you do this is through this command. So what this is the block data is just there because it has to be, but this is your important bit. The 3 lines show that the command block is in the same position as the chest, but it's saying also that it's 2 to the left, which is why the command block is 2 to the left of the chest. If you were to change this by moving the command block, you'd have to change it in the command. So this is 3 to the left rather than 2, because of the position of both the chest and the command block. So once you've done that, you're specifying that is this block here that is being edited, and what you're doing to it is locking it with this key. Now this key can be whatever you want, but at the moment I've got it as all capitals key. Capitals are important, you can mix them up, but the key you actually use to open the chest has to be exactly the same, capitals being included if they are in this command. So once you've done that, and you've also got to place the chest before you set this up. But once you've done that, you can then click the button and it will lock the chest for you. But what's the point in locking a chest if there's no way of opening it? So the way you open it is by doing a similar command to create the key. And what you do is you give player Minecarft and then whichever block you want, block or item, it can be literally anything in the game. I've chosen a lever just because that's probably the one most people are going to want to choose, because it's the most key-like, and that's just specifying the amount. And then you can choose its display name, and by choosing a display name equal to that of the one used to lock the chest earlier, you can then create an item which is able to open the chest. Now obviously if you changed it from key on the locking, you'd obviously have to change this here. This wouldn't have to be key, say it was lowercase on the command to lock, the opening command has to be equal to that and would have to be likewise lowercase. You don't have to use a command block, you can of course rename an item in the anvil. And this could be useful in survival. You could set this up just as something you could say if you're on a server, maybe like a group server, that you're all allowed to lock one chest, and then you can get the item to open it by yourself by using an anvil. Then only you would have the item, and then only you would be able to open your own chests. This could also be used in adventure maps, and is most likely the best way to use it in adventure maps is to use the trap chest. And the reason is you can do the same effect, it being locked, but when you open it with this one, you can have some kind of command action using the command block. In this case I've been teleported to the right. And you can hide the command block down here to do this action for you whenever you open a chest. So until you're able to open a chest, you can't receive the action. So you could do it in some kind of adventure map where you have to open the chest to progress to the next area, because without opening the chest you can't be teleported. As well as this, you can of course change the item you use for your key. Example here, I've got a melon slice instead, and it still does the same thing and I still receive the teleportation. So there's a lot of different things you can do with this setup. This will be in 1.8 and likewise the latest snapshot. A tutorial on how to get the latest snapshot will be in the description, one I've previously made. And if you have, as always, found this helpful and in any way informative, then please do take a second to hit the like button below,